Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Easy to Learn Tech, and thank you for watching all my previous video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And in today's video we are going to do the unboxing of digital clamp meter UT200 series. And this is the new clamp meter which I have bought because my old one has been broken, and this is from Unity. As you can see here, this is the digital clamp meter, and on the back side it says given the company name Unitrend Group Limited, and this is made of Hong Kong. And so they have given all this telephone number, fax number and so and so. And you can see here on the front side here, it's digital clamp meter UT200 series, and they also provide UT201, UT202. This one is UT202, and UT200A, UT200B and UT202A. Now let's open the box and let's see what the product provide inside. And this box is empty. Let's keep aside, and we can see here this is the beautiful cover for our clamp meter. Let's open the chain now. As you can see, yes, this is our clamp meter. This is our new brand clamp meter. In this pocket they have provided the manual, and here you can see we can go through this manual and we can see how to use clamp meter. This is the manual, you can read. Let's keep aside. Let's see if they have provided something else. No, there is nothing now. And here, let's see. These are the two pins. This one is phase and this one is neutral. And the quality of cable is also good. The quality of cable is good here, and you can see both the point. They have put a protective stuff here that nothing unwanted particles can go inside, but for both. And we can see this, both the pin are good and the cables are also good. Let's keep aside. And what they provide inside, and you can see here they provide an extra here in case if we have any issue with our positive and negative one. This we can easily joint and we can use this one. This is all the same cable what we have seen in the previous one. Both can be used in the same place. Now let's see what is our clamp meter here. Let's remove our clamp meter now, and you can see they have given lock over here. Easily we can put it here. And there is no lock here. There is no lock, just we have to use and swap it, and just finished. And it's easy to carry, and we can easily carry. And you can see this is our clamp meter, and this is the positive point and this is the negative point. And on the back side you can see this is the screw. This we have to open, and we have to put our battery inside. This is for our battery, and you can see from here we can connect our RYB to check the ampere of each. And this is now off, and we have three buttons: select, maximum and hold. And here is our display. Now our multimeter is off, and in this we can check DC volt. As you can see here, we can check DC volt, and even we can check the AC volt, and we can check the continuity and ohms and degree Celsius ampere up to 2 to 220 amperes, and this one is up to 400 amperes. Now let's collect our both the pin and see how it works. Let me connect now. This is the positive one compressor and this is the negative one, and I have put our multimeter on continuity. And you can see now I'll select the beep sound. Overall, this product is good to use and is easy to maintain, and the size is also so compact that we can easily carry wherever we want. As I have shown you, this is so easy to carry and easy to use, this clamp meter, and the battery life is also good because we need the small battery, pencil type, which will work minimum 2 to 3 months, but we have to be careful by putting our clamp meter on and off. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.